Hello everyone. Cotty's being herself. She's on a box. There's Cotty. Let's give Cotty some cookies. Cotty gets a couple cookies. We have another unboxing. It's just going to be an unboxing, no testing on this one. Wait on Cotty. Okay, I'm gonna have to move Cotty's. So let's open this up. This is the way it arrived. This will be quick. I think this is gonna have packing peanuts, so it sounds like packing peanuts. I really hate packing peanuts. Yes, it's got packing peanuts. I'll have to figure it. Okay, I think that's all the packing peanuts and foam chunks. What do we have in the bag? Power brick, 28 volts. What is this? Let's open it. Does Cotty want a cookie? There you go. Yeah, I don't have the software installed yet. I couldn't find a 24 volt power supply. I'm not going to throw 28 volts on it, even though they said they tested it already with it. Yeah, I seen this one with all the other ones I've been getting lately for the farm. I had to get this one. Thank you. With some hair. It happens. So what is this? This is a Cypress model of a Data I/O. I believe it's a Chiplab. So, yeah, this is interesting. I will come back in another video. If you like the unboxing of these programmers and you want to see more videos on these, please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. Yeah, this is what, 1997? This will be an interesting one. I'll do a teardown on it and probably operation of the software. I have not seen anything on that, but it is Chiplab from Data.io. So this is I think Chiplab, but this is a Data.io made product. So Cotty and I will see you later.